Hi, this is Tech First T for you. I'm Akari taking you through today's video. Today we're going to identify a few problems you may encounter while trying to number multiple sections of a Word document. Now let's take a look at this Word document. This is the cover page. As you can see, there's a number here. Usually we want to take this out. We're going to take this out, and then this is the first section. This is supposed to be the second section, but as you can see, it has continued the numbering from this particular section. We're going to solve this as well. Okay, let's go up. Let's remove the number from the cover page. Double click on the number. Make sure that this header and footer tab appears. And then click on this different first page. Okay, it's selected now. That makes sure the first page, which is the cover page, is differentiated from the rest of the section. As you can see, the number has been taken out automatically. I didn't even have to delete it myself. And now over here, I can decide to restart the numbering, but I'm going to keep it this way. Close header and footer. And then over here too, you can see that the numbering continues at 4 from III to 4. Now, I want this to start at 1. What do? I have to make sure that I have a section break below or at the end of the first section. Simply go up here and click on this to show the section break. As you can see, there's a section break. In case there's no section break in your work, all you have to do is, let me turn this off. All you have to do is select the bottom of your first section right here, and then go to layout, breaks, and then click on next page. That will toggle a section break. Okay, once it's available here, I'm not going to try to insert another one. Simply go down here and double click the number. The number is selected. Go up here and make sure link to previous is not selected. Deselect it if it is selected. Great. Now I've unlinked this page from the previous page. Now I can renumber this. Go to page number, format page numbers, and then click start at, and make sure this is 1 or whatever number format you want to use, and then click OK. As you can see, the second section now starts at 1 while the first section ends at III. It continues to count in 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's fine. Now you can close the header and footer section. Now let's say there's a situation where you need to make the first page after the cover page start numbering at I instead of II. What do? When you double click here, you realize there's no, you can't toggle this link to previous section. You can't unlink it. So what you do, close this. You simply need to add a section break below the cover page or at the end of the cover page. Come down here, click, and then go to go to layout, then breaks, next page. We've included a section break here. Now press delete multiple times until this comes up. That's fine. Now let's check whether the section break is truly available. Click here to check it. The section break is here. Now we can turn this off. We can start numbering at I now. Double click at the bottom. Go to page number. Check the format. Make sure it's an I instead of 1, 2, 3 and starts at I. Click OK. Now go to page number again. Bottom of page. I'm going to take this. As you can see, the first page after the cover page has been numbered with I. It has started with I. And the subsequent pages also follow. This is I. And is the first page after the Roman numerals. Starts with 1, 2. That's fine. Now when you scroll back to the cover page, you realize that the number has reappeared. Now do this before you finally take it off. Go to the first page after the cover page and then select it. Now click this to unlink the first page after the cover page to the cover page. We're going to unlink them. Right, they've been successfully unlinked. Now you can take this out without any problem. Now simply delete it. You can press backspace or delete to take it out. As you can see, it has been taken out successfully. Now, if you had just gone up to delete it without unlinking the various sections, this section and the cover page, deleting this would have made all of these numbers to also disappear. Because you unlinked the first page from the cover page, it allowed you to delete without any problem. You can close the header and footer. As you can see, everything is looking perfect now. Oh, wait. You can update the table to follow the new numbers. Updates page numbers only. Okay. Now this is fine. In case you don't know how to number multiple sections of a Word document, I have a video on that, a step-by-step guide. You can watch it. I have added a link below and also at the end of this video. Thank you for being here. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this.